I wish we were more open and compassionate when we're talking about aging. We are a deeply ageist culture, and that's something that I never really recognized until I became of the age to appreciate it, which is 72. I think it started probably when I was in my 70s that I began to notice that my opportunities might have become somewhat more limited. And I think it would have had a profound impact on my relationship with my mom. I don't feel like I was compassionate enough with her when she got to be old. Now that I see what she was probably going through when she was my age, or for the last 20 years of her life, because she lived into her 90s, I'm just full of admiration for her courage, and her refusal to complain about anything. There's such a division, between one age group and another age group and another age group. There, even the fact that we have different names for them, like Gen Z and Boomers, and it causes a kind of isolation for each group. I think it's not good for younger people either. And I wish that there were more acknowledgement of older people, whether it's respect for the work they've done, respect for what they know, respect for what we can be doing. It's part of the reason that I started my Substack. As soon as I found something that re-engaged me with people, it made me feel so much more generative and engaged and connected. And I wish there were more ways for people my age to do that in our culture.